Are you the right intern for Alliance Automation? Are you tired of dealing with old, slow, and just plain bad technology at work? Is sitting behind a computer screen for 8 hours a day starting to throw off your nap schedule? Or have you had enough of doing the boring, entry-level tasks like filing work, making coffee, or other mindless tasks? Is a lack of money to afford lunch crushing your soul and your bank account? Are you sick of getting up every half hour to go to the bathroom just to make the days seem shorter? Does the office seem to be on pins and needles, getting glares from seasoned employees when you make any sort of noise? If this sounds like something you'd enjoy, then Alliance Automation is not the right internship for you. Interning at Alliance Automation is more than just a resume builder. Alliance Automation is a company you'll want to build your career with. Alliance Automation has advanced and growing technology, challenging and interesting projects, a hands-on working environment. No more sitting at your desk all day long. Instead, you can learn a variety of positions to help make you more well-rounded and understand the ins and outs of the company. A steady, bi-weekly paycheck so you can now afford to bring lunch, eat out with your coworkers, or buy something for that special someone in your life. Speaking of food, enjoy an array of ice cream, cookies, and donuts in the break room, and lunch with the HR manager. Real-life projects. The same as any other seasoned employee, there are no cutting corners here. Family atmosphere. Ping pong and pool during breaks, because we're all team players, even if you lose. You won't feel the urge to look up new opportunities in the job market during your work hours. You'll be too busy learning and enjoying a fun work environment and great culture. And guess what? We're hiring.